Justice system is at an inflection point. Disruption is now the norm. We all learn, shop, bank, and get our news differently than we did 10, even 5 years ago. In healthcare, medical assistants, nurse practitioners, physician's assistants, computerized diagnostic tools, and telemedicine have moved to the forefront. We cannot expect the delivery of legal services to be immune from the powerful forces of technology and globalization. Though some resist, no wall is high enough to keep out the internet. Lawyers have and should continue to be at the center of the delivery of legal services. But to continue to merit that status, we must participate in, and better yet, provide leadership in efforts to ensure that the public's right to accessible and affordable legal services is being met. There is a grand bargain in our profession. We are allowed to regulate ourselves in return for working to meet the legal needs of the people we are sworn to serve. Today, 80% of the parties in the family courts in America are self-represented. Today, in 75% of the civil cases in the state courts of our country, at least one party is self-represented. Yet we have rules and a regulatory structure built on the premise that there will be a lawyer for every client in every case. We have to change to meet the new reality. That imperative led the ABA Board of Governors to establish the Commission on the Future of Legal Services. To reach across our nation and bring together solo practitioners, judges, academics, large firm leaders, regulators, innovators, corporate counsel, government lawyers, bar leaders, technologists, all of these groups and more, to take a fresh and creative look at how we should deliver legal services to meet the needs of the American people. The Commission held public hearings, sponsored grassroots meetings across our country, solicited comments, and hosted a national summit at Stanford University. Its work has been open, thorough, and respectful of the core values of our profession. This unprecedented effort of leaders from the National Center for State Courts, the Conference of Chief Justices, the Federal Judicial Center, the American Association of Law Schools, the Legal Services Corporation, state and local bar associations, and diversity entities across the spectrum has produced an invaluable report. This comprehensive report catalogs the myriad new and innovative delivery platforms already available and in use in our justice system. Importantly, the Commission's report has also thoughtfully, carefully, and creatively staked out a path for the future, with suggestions of new ways and new opportunities to better serve the American people. Indeed, to better fulfill our mission and our duty to deliver justice, not just to some, but to all.